Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss about the ortho-para-directing nature of haloarenes and their electrophilic substitution reactions. First of all, we will discuss why haloarenes show ortho-para-directing effects. Now let us consider an example of chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. In chlorobenzene, there is the conjugation between the double bond and the lone pair present on the chlorine atom, and because of this conjugation there is resonance. So because of resonance, partial negative charge develop on the ortho and para position. Because of this partial negative charge, it become ortho-para directing. Now make the resonating structure in the chlorobenzene. First, chlorine atom will lose this electron towards double bond. First resonating structure will be like this. These two double bonds remain in the same position, and there will be the negative charge because of this lone pair, and partial positive charge on the chlorine because it has because of losing the lone pair of electron. Now second resonating structure, this lone pair and this double bond is in conjugation, so bond will be break in this direction. Next structure should be like this. Double bond will be developed here, negative charge here. This structure is same. Now next structure, this bond will be break like this. Double bond, double bond, and double bond develop will be here, and there will be a negative charge. Again negative charge will rotate in this direction, and this double bond will be converted into the single bond, and here is the double bond here, here and here. So these are the resonating structures in the chlorobenzene. So from the following structure, it is clear that there is a partial negative charge on the ortho and para position, and because of this partial negative charge, electrophile will be attack on these positions. What happened actually? This is chlorobenzene. When an electrophile will be attacked, what is electrophile? Electrophile is electron deficient species, or we can say those species which has the positive charge. When electrophile will attack on the chlorobenzene, then there are the two possibilities. Either electrophile will attack on the ortho position, actually second and the sixth position. These are same, these are called ortho positions. 3 and 5 are the meta, and this one is the para position. And second product will be if electrophile attack on the para position. This is ortho product, and this is meta product. Sorry, para product. Always ortho product is minor and para product is major. Why ortho product is minor? Because of the steric hindrance. Here is steric hindrance, and because of steric hindrance, always para product is major in comparison to the ortho product. Actually, there is halogen atom is present on the benzene ring, and these halogen atoms show the minus I effect, and because of the minus I effect, group become the meta directing. But chlorine atoms show the, not only chlorine, all halogen atoms if present on the benzene ring, then they show ortho-para directing. So why they show the ortho-para directing? Because of the resonance. There two factors work. One is resonance plus R, and second is minus I. But plus R is more effective in comparison to minus I. So because of minus I, reaction becomes slow, but product form according to the plus R effect. Now we will discuss the different types of electrophilic substitution in haloarenes. First is nitration, sulfonation, chlorination and Friedel-Crafts reaction. So we will discuss them one by one. Now come to the first reaction. First consider the chlorination. First electrophilic reaction is chlorination. What happened in the chlorination? Chlorination, or we can say halogenation. Here we are considering the substitution of the chlorine. What happens during the reaction? This is chlorobenzene. We are considering the only example of chlorobenzene. Same reaction occur in bromo and iodobenzene. React with the chlorine molecule in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or ferric chloride. Then there will be the two products. One is ortho and another will be para. This is ortho product and this will be the para product. As we have already discussed, para product will be major product because of less steric hindrance, and it will be the minor product. What will be their IUPAC name? 1,2-dichlorobenzene, 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Okay, I am writing here 1,2-dichlorobenzene, and this is 1,1,4-dichlorobenzene. This is the first example of the electrophilic substitution. Now consider second, nitration. What happened during nitration? This is chlorobenzene. Here will be the attack of the HNO3 in presence of the concentrated H2SO4. So again two products will be formed. One is ortho and another is, here is electrophile is NO2 plus ClNO2. This is ortho, this is para, again this is minor, this is major. And what will be their IUPAC name? 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, and it is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene because 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 4-nitrobenzene. Now considering third example, sulfonation. Sulfonation occur in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Chlorine, chlorobenzene, attack of concentrated H2SO4. Again two products will be formed. Ortho and para. Ortho again minor, this is again para major. And what will be their IUPAC name? This is 2-chloro because sulfonic acid has the higher ranking in the IUPAC name. So this is 2-chloro, 1, 2, 2-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid, 4-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid, 2-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid, and this is 4-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid. As we know, Friedel-Crafts reaction is of two types, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. So first consider the alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation means substitution of the alkyl group. So what will happen here? Consider the chlorobenzene, attack of the methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. Again two product will be formed. Ortho and para. Okay, ortho again minor, para again major. This is 2-chlorotoluene, this is 4-chlorotoluene. As we know, if methyl group is attached to the benzene ring, then common name is toluene. Last is the acylation. Acylation, replacement of hydrogen with the acyl group. Here hydrogen is replacing the 1H replaced by the any electrophile. In chlorination by chlorine, in nitration by NO2 group, in sulfonation by SO3H group, in alkylation by CH3 group, and in acylation by any RCO group, acyl group. Here we will consider the acetyl chloride, CH3COCl, same condition, anhydrous, AlCl3, same two product will be formed, COCH3, ortho product, and this is para product. Again this is minor, this is major. So this is all about the electrophilic substitution in haloarenes and their examples.